Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into Irctc. This gives you the dashboard and access to book tickets. Once logged in, go straight to book tickets and locate the PNR. This identifies which reservation you will cancel. Make sure the ticket is an e-ticket and not counter-issued. Only e-tickets can be canceled online. If the PNR shows charting or waiting list, note the current status. Cancellation rules and refunds differ. Now, click the specific ticket to open cancellation options and proceed. Once you click Cancel Ticket, the system shows fair rules and the approximate refund. Read this because it explains the deduction and why it applies. Next, select which passengers to cancel if you want a partial refund. This matters when some passengers travel and others do not. After selecting Confirm Cancellation, Irctc will apply the railway's charge structure and show the net refund and payment mode. Keep your bank details in mind because refunds go back to the original payment source. After confirmation, download or screenshot the cancellation receipt. It contains the cancellation reference and refund amount. This is your proof. Once done, monitor transaction history and your bank account. Refunds typically take 7 to 21 days depending on the bank. If the refund is delayed or the receipt is missing, first check the transaction history on Irctc, then contact support with PNR and cancellation ID. A common fix is mismatched bank details, so make sure the original payment account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.